Deep within the arid heart of Israel's Negev Desert, a secret has been revealed. Scientists have recently confirmed a newly discovered species of Jerboa, Jaculus deserti, a tiny, nocturnal rodent perfectly adapted to this harsh landscape. Distinguishable by subtle genetic and physical traits, this new Jerboa exists in a remarkably isolated pocket of the desert, a testament to the incredible biodiversity still waiting to be discovered. Its existence underscores the fragility of these desert specialists and the importance of protecting their shrinking, fragmented habitats, a poignant reminder that our understanding of the natural world is far from complete. Enjoy uncovering nature's secrets. Hit like and subscribe for a new surprising fact every day.